Gerald Anderson. Tara na at tikman ang pangis ng Leon Extra Strong Beer. For only 35 pesos SRP for 330 ml at 60 pesos SRP for 500 ml in can. Drink responsibly.
Leon Extra Strong Beer. Tikman ang pangis ng Leon.
Hey! Time! Sakit yun akong kilid, maglisod kong pangihi.